YouTube fam? You guys have tuned in to none other than Keeping Up with the Coopers. You guys, welcome, welcome, welcome you guys. So if you're a new subscriber, you just happen to stumble across this lovely channel, go ahead and do me a quick favor, okay? And what that favor is if you could just please like, comment, hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, you guys. So I don't want to keep this video prolonged, so let's go ahead and get started into it, you guys. When we first left off, you guys did not see the nightstands that I have right here, you guys. And if you guys see that's empty right now, it's because the drawers are not actually in them right now. I still have to paint those, but the way that the weather has been set up, it's been consistently raining. I swear to God, you guys, like every weekend. So if I had the chance to do it tomorrow, which is supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to get up super early, but if I had the chance to do those, you guys are gonna see it all put together at the end of the vlog. So just try not to pay attention to that. I finished, you know, the dresser part, those are painted, and you guys have not seen I put the lamps on and stuff like that. The last vlog was just me painting the room, getting the stripes on the back of the wall, you guys. And yes, I'm in love with this room. I love the color. My daughter loves purple. So what we have on the agenda today, you guys, we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the whole room. Well, part of it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. I went to the store. I got some really pretty pillows. I got a rug to go in her room, and I got her these two really cute chairs, but I don't want to show you guys. Actually, I don't even want to talk about it because I want to wait until I show you guys it and stuff like that. Ari's gonna come in here and she's gonna actually assist me with showing, come on Ree, with showing. Here she is, the girl of the hour. This is her room. Would you like to say anything, Ree? Go ahead, tell them.
So my mom's going to decorate my room with it and putting all this stuff in it, but not right now.
Right, so they gotta wait to see it on the video, right?
Yeah.
Right, you heard what my daughter said, so let's go ahead and get started, you guys. I'm gonna go in, yeah, I might do a talk over, but yeah, let's get started to this video. Remind me to just tell them what we're getting. So yeah, first things first, let's go ahead and get the pillows. Oh, Ree, you wanna go ahead and get the pillows?
Sure.
Okay, you guys, so this is the rug that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom it in for you guys. This rug is so pretty, you guys. It like literally spells out girly girl room. I want to show you guys the details. Let me see if I can pick it up. But yeah, you guys, look at that. What would you call that, Cooper? Like hand woven? It looks like it's hand woven, you guys, or crocheted or something like that. And if you look closely, look, it's actually fabric in there. And if you look, it's gonna bounce off the room as well. Look, it's got the lavender purple. Look, you got little hints of pink in there, greens. Like, look, you guys, somebody took their time with this rug and literally put love into this rug. This rug was handmade, I would have to say, right? Yeah, this is handmade. Yeah, this is nice, and it's different, you guys. So that's the only thing I love about this rug. I was like, it's different, it's nice. So yeah, let's get started. We're gonna put this rug on the ground and see how she's looking. So let me put it down. All right, ready? Let's get it. All right, you guys, so this is what the rug is looking like. And did I say carpet earlier? If I did say carpet, you guys, I'm so sorry. But yeah, this is what the rug is looking like, you guys. It looks so good. So let's go ahead and get started. I don't want to keep, you know, dwelling on the rug, but yeah, the rug is lit. Okay, you guys, so the next thing that I got was this really, I want to look like a princess room, so that's the idea that I'm going with, you guys. So I got this really pretty bed canopy that we're going to put behind here, and I'm really hoping that it looks good, you guys. I really don't know how it's going to look, but really, you're excited to get your canopy up there? We're going to try and make it do what it does, guys, so let me show you guys what it looks like. The packaging looks really good. Come on. Reed, look. You ready? Let me show you that the directions. Here you go. Give them to your dad.
That's just looking at it.
You guys, look at the fabric. Reed, look at the fabric.
It's
soft. Soft? You like it? Look at the detail. You like that?
Wow.
You like that?
Y'all,
like I'm excited.
See that?
Yeah, let me show you guys up close. This is, I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. There it goes. That is the detailing and the fabric. I'm really proud of you guys. And I got this from Amazon, and it looks beautiful, just like you. All right, let me see the directions. Okay, you guys, so I put the canopy together and this is what it looks like, you guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me bring it lower. But this is what it's going to look like, you guys. It looks so good. I'm really, really excited to put this up and see exactly what it's going to look like in her room. Super geeked, you guys. Super geeked. Hopefully I'll be able to get this up today. I got to look for the drill. But yeah, looks good.
What's up, Dad?
Which one?
Yep. The last one. It's comfy.
You like it?
Yeah, because the whole of my unicorn belt's comfy.
2 thumbs up. Oh yeah.
Alright, you guys, so we finally got the bed canopy put up and it looks so good. I'm so excited, you guys. It looks good in person. I'm really excited with this purchase that I did right here, you guys. This purchase was well worth it. It looks like a freaking princess room. One thing for sure, you guys, I cannot wait until I get the drawers finished, hopefully tomorrow. But you guys are definitely going to see at the end of the vlog, because I'm not going to post this vlog until I'm done with the dresser drawers and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to get rid of the lamps, you guys. They're old lamps. So I'm going to get rid of those and get some new lamps and stuff like that. But right now, they'll just do for right now, you guys. No big deal, but just focus on the canopy. It looks so beautiful. I'm so excited, you guys. Like, literally, you guys have to be here to see exactly what it looks like, but it's all coming together. And I also want to show you guys her 2 little chairs that she got. Okay, guys, so I want to show you guys something that's really cute. I already picked out these really, they're so comfortable, you guys. Look. Oh, they're so comfy. But she picked out these beautiful little seats to go in her room, you guys. They're so cute because it's like rainbow. You know what I'm saying? It's all that stuff that she likes. You know, it's just taste the rainbow, basically. That's what it looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. Very comfy. And honestly, you guys, I sat on this myself and I actually fit on it, believe it or not, you guys. I'm not that big and stuff like that. She wanted to get one for her and another one for a friend whenever her friend comes over, so that way she has 2 seating areas. But other than that, you guys, this looks really good. Really excited. The room is coming together. Like I said, you guys are going to see the drawers over there. It's going to get done soon, but I'm not going to post a video. I'm probably going to put that on the end of this clip. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so we have finished up with the vlog, and I told you guys I was going to bring you guys back whenever I finished the drawers, and they are done, you guys. They are done by the grace of God, you guys. It did not rain, so I was able to complete it. Ari finally has her princess room, you guys, right here. This is my favorite by far, y'all. Why are you looking like that? You crazy? Riri, you like your bed? You like it, Poo-Poo? You love it? Ari got a complete princess room. She actually picked out the color, you guys. Ari, you want to tell them why you picked out this color? Because purple your favorite color?
I love white and purple.
Yes, it's so beautiful, you guys. And right now, Ari loves unicorns, so...
And I got a secret.
Yep, and no, we're not going to tell a secret. But yeah, the secret is, you guys, is I'm not going to tell y'all yet or show you guys. But we got a couple more things to do in Ari's room. But I'm gonna tell you after the vlog, okay? So yeah, we got a couple more things that we're gonna do on Ari's room, you guys. So you guys just have to stay tuned for that. But the good thing is that we have the main stuff to basically complete the room. But the rest of the stuff is just the little odds and ends, you guys. But yeah, so far it looks so good. Ari has a little princess bed. She looks like a little princess in her little bed.
Then what are you going to cook?
This ain't a cooking vlog. I'll tell them that later. Guys, and these are the chairs that Ari picked out again, you guys. So unfortunately, like, I'm backed up, so I can't really get the full pan of the room, you guys.
It's a unicorn.
But yeah, it's like unicorn vibes and stuff like that, you guys. But this is the room, Princess's room, Princess Ari. I need to get her a sign that says Princess Ari.
Look.
Yep. What you want to show them?
My unicorn.
What you want to show them?
My unicorn.
Oh, she wants to show you guys her unicorn hat.
No,
She was wearing it.
It's a hairband.
Handband.
No.
Oh my God, I said it
hairband.
wrong. Headband. So she even got a unicorn headband, you guys.
I lose mine.
Yeah. With this. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this vlog. I hope that you guys all enjoyed. Be sure to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. You guys already heard what Ari said, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, you guys. The room is truly beautiful. I'm really excited. Ari's excited. Canopy is up. The drawers are in. Everything is done. Ready, set, go. Like, we still got a little bit of stuff, like I said previously, that we're gonna do, you guys. But in order for you guys to see that, you guys will have to stay tuned on the next vlog. So yeah, make sure you show some love. I got Big Head Tony over here. I got Talkaboo Ari right here, you guys. I got the whole fam with me. But yeah, y'all want to tell them what they gotta do? Tell them, Tone.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Tell them, Reed. Tell them, Reed.
Get the notification bell and follow our Instagram.
You heard what she said. And follow our, what? That girl said follow our Instagram, and that's going to be it. I hope you guys. And share the video, like the video, love the video, all that good stuff, you guys. We'll see you guys all next time.
And you come in this cute SWAT, and I have friends.
Yes. So we will see you guys all next time. We hope that you guys all enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in with us. And we are out. Bye.
That was fun.
Mm-hmm.